Get the latest features now on monday.com with Monday Labs. Let me show you. Monday.com regularly adds features that make it more accessible and improve the way you work. But as with all new features on any software, it takes time to get it right. After all, testing is a vital component of any project. But Monday.com goes one step further and allows some of their new features to be added or removed from your account at any time. This is where Monday Labs comes in. Monday Labs is an option in the monday.com settings menu that allows you to see all of the current features that are in the testing phase. It works on all account levels and is easy to find. On your account, click in the top right with your profile picture and then select the Monday Labs option under Explore. Every feature that you can add to your account and try out today will be here. Each should come with a description of what change it makes to your account, and some will be more helpful to you than others, but they can be freely added or removed. Be wary that if you do add an experimental feature and then add data which uses that feature, that removing it could also remove your data. However, it shouldn't affect your main board's contents. If you see a feature that you'd like to try, adding it is as simple as clicking Activate. Your monday.com will then refresh, and then you'll have access to the features shown in Labs. At Enable, we already see some benefits from using some of these features. For example, we use the developer mode, which shows you extra information about your columns, items, and templates. These details can then be used to help with integrations with other software. The beta columns, views, and widgets feature is another. It adds upcoming types of each, so you can experiment now for when they go live fully. And one more that I believe many of you will like too. Hate seeing this little animation go off every time you log a status as done. You can turn them off manually in each column, or you can activate the Labs feature, hide done animations, and there you go, gone from your account. We recommend experimenting with these on a clean board so you can find out how they can work for you. But if you'd like a more in-depth look at any of these new features, get in touch with us using the links in the description, or leave a comment and tell us which one you'd like us to spotlight. And if you want to see what else monday.com can do to make your workflow simpler, then check out this video up here where we do a dive on monday.com's templates and see how you can get off on the right foot. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.